Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fine and studying well. Today we will study lesson number 13 in English grammar. Lesson name is apostrophe. Okay. As we read this sentence in this lesson, this is the doll that belongs to Vinita. This is the ball that belongs to Varun. Or this is the train that belongs to Vinita, like this. So it is very difficult to always keep on reading or keep on saying belongs to like this, okay, in each of the group of words or in each of the sentence. So how we can write this same sentence in a short word or short group of words? So like this you can write, like this is Vinita's doll or this is Varun's ball. Like this we can write, okay. So what we can learn here through this example, that a little comma is placed. A little comma is placed after proper or common noun, as you can see here in these examples, and followed by s, and after that what we are writing? S. So that little comma is known as after proper or common noun we are using, okay. That is called apostrophe, punctuation marks, apostrophe. The next page in the same lesson we read about that when we use an apostrophe with a plural common, we should place the apostrophe after the s and not add another s after it. Through this example you will understand, like these dogs' tail are long. So we are using apostrophe after this plural common noun, okay. This is plural common noun, so we are using s apostrophe after that s. So no need to write again s. After using this apostrophe, no need to use another s, as you see in this example. So in the same way we can write here. By reading this example and by understanding this one, we need to write all these answers, okay, in A and B. All these answers we need to write according to that only. As I will read for some of you, some of the sentences. As in A type of question, insert apostrophe, okay, like this mark, wherever it is needed to show possession, wherever it shows that something belongs to somebody. So as you see here, first one, the seller's bought. So we can use after that s. After seller I have used here, that is mistake. After s we need to use. So after each of these, after girls we need to use apostrophe. After books, then after computers, after today's, after watermelons, after Smiths, after children's, after sons, then after Mary's, okay. And no need to write again s there. And for this group of words, how we can write? Rewrite these sentences using apostrophe at the appropriate sentences. Like first one, the bottle that belongs to Raghu is blue. So how we can write this answer? By using apostrophe, Raghu's bottle is blue. Second one, my father's name is Gopal Rao. For this sentence we can write like this. Third one, Aesop's fables are interesting. Then fourth one, here is proper noun. So after this first name only we can use apostrophe and after s. But if it is plural noun, then after this s we have to use that apostrophe. Here is common noun in all these sentences, so after this name only we have to use apostrophe and after s in each of these sentences. We have to write like this only, 1 to 10. Then in C type of question, as you see here, as you see this example, remember, contractions is replacing a letter that has been dropped to combine two words together. Like apostrophe, like this comma is placed instead of the missing letter. For example, like I am we are writing. So if we have to use here apostrophe, then after I apostrophe, then am. So a no need to write as your answer. Like we have, so we, then apostrophe, then ve. He will be missing in your answer. So like this only you have to write here according to the sentence. So C type question as you see here. So according to that you write here, it is a nice day today. So after it we can use apostrophe, then s. Like this only you need to write all these answers. Okay, by reading this one and listening this one, I hope you will understand nicely. Thank you.